Okay, welcome to this next tutorial. We're going to look at managing results with the partners, and we want to do this because in RSR we want our partners to update on indicators so that we can see how the progress of the results are going. Okay, so I'm going to do this by simulation because I only have a computer, so I have to sign in and sign back. And I have two roles that I have set up. One is the M&E manager role, monitoring and an evaluation. With that role, I'm going to open up indicators for reporting, and then I'm going to log out, and I'm going to log in back as the project editor, the project partner. I'm going to simulate that I'm a project partner, and then I'm going to update those results or those indicators so that we see the progress. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to sign in with this account. This is the monitoring and evaluation account that I have set up just for showing you. Okay, so I'm a M&E manager for this project, and I want to open up some indicators for our project partners to update. So I have the results here, and the way to do it is you can filter. You can see a filter, but now we have all the indicators have the same indicator periods, so there's really no choice there. But so if I want to open up, say I want to open up this one, digital content is available. I want the partners to report on this. You see now the target is 5, and we have 0. And I also want another one. Perhaps I want this this was about the research study, so I want that person to report on that one too. So I've chosen 2. You see I've marked them here, and now I'm going to open it up. You see there's a little lock here. I'm going to unlock that, and that means that it's time for our partners to report on that. So I click on this button, unlock selected, and you will see here needs reporting. Now it has 2. If I press here, then I see the 2 indicators that I want my partner to report on. Okay, I can report on it too, but I want my partner to do it. And then when that partner has reported on it, it will go to this stage. So this is like a process stage. It goes here, and then when the partner has reported, it's here, and then I will show you how it looks, but it will come here later, and then the M&E role has the chance to approve or reject and comment on the results that are presented. And if it's an approval, it will come to here. Okay, so now I'm going to log off and sign back on as a project partner. And it was this, I believe. Let's see. So I go back here, result data. And this is what I see. Now I'm the project editor, the project partner. I go in here, press this button, and I see that there are 2 indicators to report on. Okay, so let's say, so you see it's 0 now. I pressed insert value. So let's say we have done 2. This is number of digital content in the activities between that and that activity. And let's say I have done 2. Then I can write, we have completed the open lab and the farm, and I can system pictures are coming soon. Okay, so I submit for approval, or I can save and update later. So I click on this submit, and then I have the next one. You see now it's only 1, and the one that I submitted is on pending approval. But okay, so let's report on this. This was about the research report that we want to accomplish here. So now I say yes, I've done it. I've done 1 report, and the target was 1, so this will hopefully show 100%. But let's see if the M&E manager approves. As we have written the full report, the full research study. Please see the attachment. Okay. So I can attach, and it's here. Okay. Submit for approval. Okay. Now let's see what happens back with the, if I log out, let's see what happens with the M&E manager. So we go back to the result data. Okay, pending approval. So, okay. So to approve here, we're going to click on edit. And we see the value here. And we can return for revision. That's obvious what it is. We have some internal notes that I can write to myself, and we can approve. So let's approve this one. We think it's okay. So that one is approved. Okay. So the next one was the research research study. Let's click on edit. Okay. Let's see if we can see. Okay, I don't know what's going on. You're supposed to see to download the file. But okay, so as I can't see the file, let's say I want to return it. Return for revision. And it goes back. And then you see that this research result comes back that it needs reporting, and so the partner will be notified and needs to report on that result again, and we do the whole process again until we have an approval and we see that it's approved. So you see here it's 40% because it was approved, and we can see the full view, all of the results here. This is the only one that has been reported on. We have some progress, the rest is 0. But that is basically how you do it. So if you want the project to report on something else, you just do the same. You mark, you check in the indicator, and then you press unlock, and it will go to needs reporting. You see that this is the one that got returned for revision, and down here we will see the new indicator, and it needs to be reported on. Okay, so that's it for managing results. I mean, thank you for listening in.